Alright guys, so when installing the tablet mount, what you're going to do is you're going to just position it here where it's nice and sturdy, nice and straight, making sure that it's where you want it. And then you're going to take a marker, and while you're holding it in place, just kind of mark where this is going to sit. There we go. So now that you have where it's basically going to sit, you can see your marks there. Go ahead and pry this up. Take your connection off here. Take this and your tablet holder to the bench, and I'll show you how to install. Alright, so we're back on a bench. You're going to line these marks up right like that, and then you're going to want to put holes into this plastic part. So you're going to want to mark your holes where you're going to drill. And what I do is I take a really small Allen key and I just kind of go down in here and make me a mark. Alright, so I will hold this, make sure it's really nice and level the way you want it. All the cracks look about right. And then I just kind of come over here and spin a hole there and spin a hole there. So you can see you've got your marks where you're going to drill. So then you're going to take your screw and you're going to get you a drill bit that this is going to go into. And the drill bit that I use is, so I use a 5/32 bit. It's a little bit smaller than this because I want it to fit tight. If you don't have a 5/32, just get close to the edge of the screw. Just drill your holes. That easy. That easy. Now these are going to fit in here pretty tight. And I use a 3mm hex head to put these in. And I mean, they are super tight. Of course, you want to come in from the back side. So on this side, on this one, I'm going to have to trim that. So now you have that little piece trimmed out of the way where the screw will actually go down in. You can start putting your screw in. It's plastic, so all it takes is just a little bit of force. You can start the thread. Same on the other side. This one I just have to trim a little bit of this one off. And you can do it with a razor blade, as you can see here. Once you've got your screws started through the other side, just line it up with this and screw them right into it. Make sure you tighten them down all the way, just to where everything is flush. You don't have to crank it too tight and warp anything. So just like that. And then just like that. Now this is already attached pretty good. If you don't want to use this tape, you don't have to, but I recommend you do. Let's go put it on the side by side. And then if you choose to use this, you go ahead and peel your double-sided tape off. So peel the backing off like so. And now you're ready to insert this thing in there. So just get it down in. Press it down. And then secure this to the dash there. And you're good to go. So now you've got your, and you all know how hard these are to take up. So this is pretty well secured. And then you've got your tablet holder like such. So this one here, it's just a cheap tablet off Amazon, but it's the Hot Wave Tab R7. And I like it because it really runs the Onyx really, really good. Now you've got your navigation ready to go. There you go, guys. Look for this tablet holder in whatever color you want on the website, www.nrgcreative.com. Just like that.